Officials at SFO are trying to figure out how this happened. The wing of Aer Lingus Flight 147 clipped a concrete pillar at the airport a couple of hours ago. The plane had just landed from Dublin, Ireland. A tug was towing the plane into the gate. The plane was eventually towed safely into the gate at the international terminal, and passengers got off. Maintenance crews are checking to see how bad the damage is and what repairs are needed before clearing the plane for tonight's scheduled takeoff back to Ireland.